Hi everyone, myself Vamsi Krishna. In this session, I am going to show you how to connect a domain to an AWS EC2 instance using Route 53. Basically, what I will do is I'll try to install Apache web server, and once we have Apache web server up and running, I'll try to link to domain. In my case, it is vamsiawstraining.com, okay, which is running in GoDaddy. Okay, to do this, first I'll show how to link GoDaddy with Route 53. Okay, let us start with the implementation steps. First, go to Route 53 and whatever the domain you have, go to DNS management, get started now, create hosted zone, mention your domain name. My domain name is vamsiawstraining.com. This is my domain name. Command, you can say anything, my website. Okay, and this is public hosted zone. Click on create. Once we create a hosted zone, we will get name servers. Okay, copy these name servers and keep it somewhere. Okay, now as we didn't purchase this domain from AWS, these name servers will not resolve for our domain. Okay, for that, go to GoDaddy, and in the GoDaddy you will go to domains, right? Whatever the domains you purchase, you will go to domains. Click on the domain. This is my domain. Or you can go to my products. You can go to your username and you can go to your products. And in your products, this is the domain name. Click on DNS. Okay. Once you click on DNS, you will be redirected to this page. Okay. Here you will have a record, C names, everything. Okay. Go to name servers, and here using default name servers, click on change. Why? Because I want to use my AWS Route 53 name servers. Okay. You can select enter my own name servers. Okay. And you can enter one by one. First one for org. This is a name server. And then for net.net, this is another name server. Add name server .co.uk, this is another one. And then .com. Okay, these are the 4 name servers which we got from Route 53. Now click on save. Now you copied Route 53 name servers into GoDaddy. Next thing what we need to do is, it takes some time to reflect. We just need to refresh. Okay, these are the 4 name servers which we just added. It takes some time to reflect. We can go to EC2 instance. We can go to EC2 instance. We can create a server and we can link that particular EC2 instance with this domain. Okay, so that we can see end to end. Running instances 0. Launch instance. I am taking Amazon Linux 2. Review and launch. This is my keypad. I will say EC2 Route 53. EC2 Route 53 integration. Okay. Copy the server IP, session, SSH. This is remote host. Specify username EC2 hyphen user. Advanced SSH settings. Use private key. This is my key. Perfect. We are able to connect to the server. Once we have the server, yeah, once we have the server, now what we can do is we can install HTTPD service package, basically HTTPD package, so that I can link my website with the domain. Basically what I'm trying to set up is I'm going to create a login form. Go to where www.html. Here you need to create an index.html page. Let me create login form W3 schools. You can take one login form. You can go to this page, login form, scroll down and click on try it yourself. This is the page which I want to load it with vamsiawstraining.com. Copy left side content. Go to this path. This is the path /var/www/html. This is the document root. Here create a file called index.html and paste this content. Save this. Okay, now you have the content, and inside this content, as you are using the image, you need to download the image as well. You can say copy image address here, download the image as well. Wget image address. This is perfect. Now start HTTPD service. Service HTTPD start, and you can check the status. Perfect. This is running perfect, and HTTPD will use 80 port. Allow 80 port in the security groups. Go to the security group ID, add rule for 80 for all the traffic. Now click on save. Once this is saved, now your website should be up and running. Your login page should be up and running. Now copy this IP, just access it here or some page. Any page is fine. Okay, let me do it in a new page. Okay, this is my page. See, I'm able to get the login form with IP. Next, what we need to do is we need to integrate this IP with the Route 53. Go here, go to Route 53, and inside the Route 53 hosted zones, we need to create a record set. Click on this, click on the domain name, create record set, and you can say alias no and mention the IP. Okay, that's it. Okay, what we have done, we have created a route record set and we have mentioned nothing, alias no. Click on this. Now a record is created, alias record. Now if somebody access vamsiawstraining.com, it will route it to this IP and we will receive the response with this domain name. Okay, let me access the domain name. vamsiawstraining.com. See, you are able to see the response with this, right? Perfect. Now we are successfully integrated Route 53 with GoDaddy by replacing the name servers, and we are able to use the domain name for our EC2 instances as well. Thanks everyone for watching this video. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel.